Once again, welcome to MS Veterinary Center, where we offer dedicated expert care for all your animals' needs. This is Vet Sanon as usual, and in today's tip I'm going to talk about a disease which is most underlooked by the farmers, yet it has caused severe losses in the production in terms of quality and quantity. And this disease is none other than Helminthiasis. When we talk about Helminthiasis, we are talking about worms, and there are different types of worms, and they live in different environments. So these worms, like we have the liver flukes, we have the lungworms, we have the tapeworms, name it. And when these worms enter into the body of an animal, they tend to depress the immune system of the animal, and this makes it susceptible to other diseases. So in turn, it brings about losses whereby other diseases come in, and so causing more costs of production. Yet it is very easy to treat these worms, and we have several drugs which we can use in deworming. Moreover, cheap ones, like we have the albendazole, we have levamisole, we have ivermectin, and now they have different routes of administration. Like these ones are for oral, we just put them through the mouth. This is an oral drug, this is levamisole. So when we are going to administer it to the animal, we depend on the weight of the animal, then we can be able to give it the right dose. It is always advisable not to give an under or an overdose, because all of them cause damage. So when you're administering this one, you do it orally. Then besides this one, we have another oral, like these boluses. This is a bolus. There is also this other bolus. These ones we can use a gun to tip them inside the animal. So this is also oral. And there is also this other bolus, which is containing both albendazole and ivermectin. So for this one, it helps to kill both internal and external parasites, except this one, which only kills the internal parasites. Then we also have this one, which I told you earlier, and for this one is for injection. That is the mode of administration. We administer this one subcutaneously, and by subcutaneous route of administration I mean under the skin, not into the muscles. So you need to be so extra vigilant when administering this one, and you must be a vet to do it. So we have talked much about worms in animals. Like, it doesn't mean that we have forgotten that worms also affect the birds. So now in the birds, we also have the dewormers for the birds, and these are the ones you can put it in water, and then you follow the manufacturer's instructions. Then you can see that at least you fight them out. So it doesn't mean that only the livestock that face the challenge of worms, but also birds. So my farmers, be aware of that. And then let me tell you that here at MS we offer several services, and these include animal treatment, animal vaccination, we perform some surgeries, artificial insemination, and the like. So always use us. We are here to help you help yourself. I love you, my farmers.